College life is a thrilling journey of new experiences and self-discovery. But it's not without its risks, especially when it comes to dorm safety. Did you know that in 2019, there were approximately 15,000 reported burglaries on college campuses, according to the U.S. Department of Education? Theft is the most common crime, targeting items like electronics, bicycles, and personal belongings. Hi, I'm Kathy, your security pro with over 25 years experience in the security industry, and a mom who's sending her youngest to college this fall. I've been through the dorm setup process 3 times now, so I know firsthand the mix of excitement and anxiety that it brings. Today, I'm launching the first video in a 2-part series tailored for college students. I'll dive into essential dorm room security devices and smart tech to ensure that your college experience is safe and sound. Did you know that dorm rooms are among the most common places for theft on college campuses? What's the top oversight that makes students particularly vulnerable? Stay tuned to the end to find out. It's a game changer. Let's dive right in and explore some must-have essentials that will keep you and your belongings safe and secure throughout the school year. Let's kick things off with some of the simplest yet most effective security gadgets you can use in your dorm room. First up, door stop alarms. Why start here? Because your door is both your entry point and your first line of defense. Door stop alarms are not just ordinary door stops. When activated by the pressure of an opening door, they emit a loud alarm that can deter intruders and alert you and others nearby. It's a small device that packs a big punch in keeping you safe, especially at night when you're in your room. This makes it an excellent tool for peace of mind while you sleep. Next, consider adding a door bar. These are simple to install and incredibly effective in reinforcing your door against forced entry. In critical situations, such as a campus emergency, a door bar can be crucial for keeping the door secured from the inside, offering additional safety during moments when it's most needed. For those of you in ground level rooms or with easy window access, adding window security bars and locks are a must. These tools not only prevent unauthorized entry, but also allow you to enjoy fresh air securely. They're easy to install and can significantly deter break-ins. Now that we've covered how to fortify your entry points, let's move on to how you can protect your personal belongings inside your room. In a shared living space like a dorm, protecting your valuables takes on a new level of importance. Let's start with a portable safe. These aren't just for cash and jewelry, they're perfect for safeguarding electronics, important documents, and other small but valuable items. Next up, laptop locks. An absolute must for any student with a laptop, which, let's face it, is nearly everyone these days. A good laptop lock can act as a strong deterrent to theft. It secures your laptop to a desk or another heavy piece of furniture, making it difficult for someone to walk off with your computer. Laptop locks are not just for your dorm room. They're perfect for when you're studying in the library or other common areas. Just clip it on, lock it, and you can focus on your studies without worrying about your laptop walking away. While physical security measures are crucial, let's not overlook another layer of protection: renter's insurance. It's worth considering for covering the theft of your belongings. This insurance can provide reassurance, knowing that you're covered in case of theft or physical damage. And a final word of advice: if it's truly irreplaceable, like a family heirloom, consider leaving it at home. No security measure can match the comfort that comes from knowing that your most cherished items are safe and sound where they belong. As we continue to enhance our living spaces, smart technology plays a pivotal role, especially in a dorm environment. Let's talk about smart plugs first. These handy devices allow you to control your electronics remotely through an app on your smartphone. Imagine being able to turn on your lights or ensuring that your curling iron is turned off while you're at class. Next, we have smart speakers and smart lights. Not only are they about convenience, but they can also make your dorm room more fun and personalized. Smart lights can add a pop of color and create a cozy atmosphere, perfect for studying or relaxing. And smart speakers can play your favorite music, control other smart devices, and equipped with Alexa, they can even help you stay organized with reminders and alarms. Another smart tech addition is a Bluetooth speaker mirror. Not only does this mirror provide you with excellent lighting for getting ready in your dorm room, but it can also connect to your phone via Bluetooth so that you can play music or take calls. It's a stylish, multifunctional piece that adds both practicality and a touch of glamour to your dorm room. Security cameras have come a long way, offering more features while ensuring privacy. Today's security cameras are easy to use, connecting to your local Wi Fi, providing you with peace of mind and real time monitoring and alerts. When choosing a camera for your dorm room, look for one that provides motion alerts and respects privacy with features like geofencing, which turns the camera off when you're in the room. When incorporating security devices and smart technology into your dorm room, especially with security cameras, it's crucial to ensure that these devices comply with your university's regulations and consider the comfort of everyone in your living space. Always check with your dorm's rules and discuss with your roommates before installing any device. It's about enhancing your security without compromising on the rules for privacy of others. First, let's discuss a key tool for personal safety: a personal alarm. This device is not just any alarm. It features a loud siren coupled with a strobe light to draw maximum attention when you need it most. It's compact, easy to carry, and perfect for situations where you need to alert others quickly. And for those looking for additional features, there's the Birdie Plus model. This service includes access to the Birdie Plus app, which provides enhanced safety options like location tracking and emergency contact notifications. One of the standout features is the ability to call Birdie Plus and have someone stay on the phone with you, providing a reassuring presence during potentially unsafe situations. It's an excellent choice for anyone who wants an extra layer of security while on campus. Another great tool is a tracking device, such as an Apple AirTag. These devices can be attached to your keys, your wallet, your backpack, or any other valuables. If you ever misplace something, you can quickly locate it using an app on your smartphone. It's especially useful in a busy campus environment where things can get easily lost. Always remember the basics of personal safety. Walk in well lit areas, especially at night, and use the buddy system whenever possible. These simple habits can significantly reduce your risk of encountering unsafe situations. Many campuses offer safety apps that provide features like real time location sharing, emergency contacts, and quick access to campus security. Make sure to download and familiarize yourself with these apps. They're a valuable resource for staying safe on campus. Personal safety is about being prepared and staying aware of your surroundings. By incorporating these tools and habits into your daily routine, you can enhance your security and peace of mind. We've covered a lot today, from doorstop alarms to personal safety devices like the Birdie personal alarm. Remember, the number one mistake students make is not taking simple precautions that can significantly enhance their safety. Always be proactive about your security. All of the products I discussed today are linked in the video description below. You'll find the Amazon links for items like the portable safe and laptop locks. For the Birdie personal alarm, use my ambassador code for a 10% discount off your purchase at She's Birdie. It's a great way to stay safe and save money too. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your top dorm room safety tips? Drop your ideas and questions in the comments section below, and let's keep this important conversation going. And remember, this is just the first video in my two-part series for college students. Up next, we'll explore essential campus safety tips that every student should know. Make sure to watch it to complete your safety checklist. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't let yourself be a victim of crime. Remember, prevention is the best protection.